And we are live. How you doing?
Pretty good, pretty good. Yourself?
Wait, I can't hear anything. Can you hear me?
We can hear
Yeah.
you. We can't see you, but we can hear you.
Uh-oh.
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 Technical difficulties.
Okay, well, I was trying to get my Bluetooth headphones to work. They weren't working, and then as we went live, they started working. So I think we're good now.
Okay.
You guys doing good? You guys doing good?
Yeah, yeah, man, pretty good. Can't complain, looking forward to see what this morning brings. It's gonna be early day for me. Already caught the run up on the NFP data release. So
Indeed, we had this huge candle on gold on
we can't see a chart.
indices. Yeah, I'm about to load it.
Okay.
I can't see your chart either.
I
And
don't know.
your video is off too, Dave.
My video's off. You can't see me.
Nah, we
No.
can't see you. We can hear you. We
Are you
can.
serious? I
Yeah.
can see myself.
Nah, we can't see you.
Uh-oh. Let me get
Uh-oh.
Your,
myself off screen.
it says your camera is off on the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good morning, BT.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What time was the report this morning? 5:30?
No, it already came out. It came out 35 minutes ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How was it? Was it good?
Seemed positive. I mean, the market just ran up. It spiked. What did it do? It spiked about. This was not 8 o'clock. 8:15. Yeah, it spiked almost. Let me see. 170 all the way to. Yes, now we can. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it spiked like over 130 points, and now it's retracing everything, even gold, silver.
Yeah,
So it's,
gold had a really nice move. I was kind of sad I missed it.
yeah, it's going to be a very interesting morning.
Very interesting morning. Am I here? Am I alive? Am I
Yes,
alive?
Yes,
yes,
you're
All right.
here.
We're
yes,
here. The charts are here. Everything is good now, finally.
yes.
All right. Yeah, I think my whole computer was surprised at how explosive this move was. But yeah, let's look at the data a little bit. I have the news right there. NFP came out at 8:30. The number came out at 57K versus the forecast of 110, and the previous one was 129K. So for those who don't know, non-farm payrolls is basically the jobs data excluding the farm workers, right? So it's kind of the markets, is the economy healthy kind of checkup, right? And what happened is, since payroll came in at 57K instead of what was expected, 110, roughly, half of what the economists predicted, that's a huge miss. And because it's a miss, I mean, the way you could see it is, this is a bad jobs data, but that means the economy is cooling and the Fed is more likely, we don't know, to cut interest rates. And if the Fed does cut interest rates, that's positive for equities because borrowing becomes more attractive. And I think that's the reaction we're seeing now. So we'll see.
Thank you for that explanation. That was very clear.
Thank you. Sun SMT is back. How you doing? How you doing?
Good morning.
Oh, the Discord was talking about Alejandra, by the way,
Oh,
this
I
morning.
missed it. Why?
Let me see if I could screenshot it. Uh, and then everybody thinks I'm still on vacation, which I haven't been.
It was so fast. Did you have a
Tell
good
me about
time?
it. I had a decent time. I had a decent time. I was
Why? What
still,
do you mean
half
decent?
half working, half on vacation. So
Oh.
The mind was
Yes, most of the time.
it was a good time. I ate too much food, I'll tell you that.
Oh, well, then it was a great time.
I need to hit the gym again. Where is it? I'm trying to find it.
Just a
Anyways,
little
they
bit
were
of
saying, man,
cardio.
Alejandra's on fire. She's
Uh,
there you go. I found it.
let's see it.
Let's see it. See it.
Oh, that's cool. Thank you. I don't even know.
Anyways,
I need to hop on the Discord.
yeah, I think if you go into the account, it's at the bottom left, if I'm not mistaken. Anyways, but
Hmm.
some super interesting updates. We've talked about the no activation fee, right? So
Mhm.
activation fee is going away forever. But if that wasn't enough, account refunds are live also. So there's a new thing happening. If you get three payouts, you get refunded entirely for the cost of your eval. So, for example, if you took a 50K, you paid $100. By the time you get your last payout, I mean your last payout, no, your third payout. Hopefully not your last. You get a total refund. So I think that's interesting. I think we're the only ones in the futures world refunding accounts entirely. So basically, you're getting a free account by the third payout. So I think that's super interesting.
That's
Oh,
awesome.
that's
That's
cool.
pretty neat.
Indeed, indeed,
Oh,
indeed.
I'm on the Discord now. I was in it, but I had to verify something, so I'm actually in now. I have all the channels.
Awesome. Well, we'll let him know that you're here whenever you're ready. So yeah, guys, awesome. Let us
So
know,
I
guys. Let
noticed.
us know in the chat what you're looking at. We have Sun SMT here. We have BTC USD. I hope you can see me now. How you doing? I know you're in Brazil, so hello, hello, hello. Unbiased Trader is back. How you doing? You were
Mhm.
gonna say something,
Uh,
Alejandra?
yeah, I I didn't trade last night Asia. Usually like I'm all over it, but I had to go to the city to teach a class, and when I came back home, I was so tired, like my brain just could not like process anything. So I fell asleep early, and then when I was taking a look at the charts, nothing really was like s- sparking my attention. So what I'm gonna do this morning is I'm just going to chart everything to see if like maybe we can find something that could be like a good risk reward. Otherwise, I think I might just protect my profits because I had a really good week this week, and I funded the Black Arrow 50K account. So I want to come back like fresh next week. I'm just sharing my thought process.
That's good. That's exactly what we do here. Well, yeah, yesterday you funded it live, so
That was
that's
cool.
awesome.
Yeah.
Indeed. Early confetti. Let's see, I'm still gonna see what I can find. Yesterday, I took a quick little scalp during Asia on the ES. Let me see if I can see the executions. Where was it? Um,
Hans
can't see the
Gunther, good
executions.
morning. Unbiased
Anyways,
trader. Who's Mr. Butler?
Is here. Open another
Mr.
one.
Butler.
Is Fiverr
He said Mr.
CFD.
Butler is here.
Yeah, so Hans Gunther Butler, which is a super funny name, is
Oh,
um is Richard, and Richard is the host of the Fiverr's CFD channel.
Oh, okay.
oh.
So excellent trader, excellent host,
Hmm.
great guy overall. Has helped me a lot in the background.
Aw.
So he's stalking us. That's He's the one the other day when I was like, okay, should I take this trade or not? He was the one saying, yes, go ahead. When I was like, all right, I'm about to buy the top, but it actually turned out to be a breakout. So we made a quick profit,
Ooh.
yeah,
Awesome.
with that
Well,
trade.
Mr. Butler, I think I may need you in my life. I don't want to think. I just want you to be like, buy, sell, buy, sell.
No, that was good. By the way, I held yesterday. Remember the trade, the ego trade yesterday that we
Oh
took together?
yeah.
I held a trade and it did TP. I have
What?
video evidence. Where's the evidence? Let me look for it.
Because
I posted it. It ended
it
up
ended up
working out.
pulling back at the
It
end of the
pulled
day,
back,
right?
but it
Yeah.
pulled
And then
back. Yeah,
remember I told you I was aiming for the 30,000s. It hit the target to the T.
nice.
So we
Oh, the
both,
MNQ. Yeah.
yeah,
So that's nice. We're both right.
yeah. That's so cool.
Yep, it TP'd at my level, so I got paid. Plus, I had my ego boost, so that was good.
I love that. Good morning, Ruben, George, and Abe.
Nice, Abe is there. He says, "I guess you should ego trade more." Well, we'll see. Yeah, I'll ego trade when I'm green on the day and when I'm super green, like I was yesterday. But not every day. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Everybody, it's a full house today. That's looking good. That's looking good. So Caesar, you said you caught the long?
Yeah, I caught the long on NQ and
Nice.
NQ and ES for NFP. I'm still gonna look to take a couple more trades, but I'm pretty much just gonna be defensive. So I'm gonna switch over to the micros and just rock out with that. I had a pretty decent week.
You
I think,
wanna you wanna walk us through that trade
yeah,
you
yeah.
took this morning?
I'm sharing my screen, so if you wanna,
Yep. I'm switching to your screen.
I see the I see the market trying to hold here, so we may get a continuation to the upside, but let's just see how it reacts. I'm gonna wait till maybe after 15 minutes till after market open. But go ahead, Caesar.
all right. So I entered right here at 30,157. And as you can see, I'm looking at a 5 minute time frame, and simultaneously, I have a 1 hour time frame up. On the 1 hour, I really liked how the price was closing above the 200 EMA. And once I saw volume coming in, I just started attacking on size. So I started off with the micro ES, and then we had a little back and forth once the data came out, and then I switched over to minis. I add a couple and I unwinded as we ran up. Now I am looking for another potential long, but I want price to come closer to the 200 EMA, which we're going to end up having a what's called a golden cross, which is when the 50 or any EMA crosses the 200 to the upside, signaling we have more upside. And because tomorrow's a half day, and going into 4th of July, I don't perceive that we're going to have like any massive sell-offs. But again, any trades I take, I will be risking anywhere from 20 to 30 points, and just try to rock out some more and squeeze a couple more 50 to 100 points trades.
Nice. Do you usually trade news? Because that was a that was
Um,
a that
Occasionally,
was a
yeah, occasionally I do. Um, yeah, occasionally I do trade it. Like it's very rare that I go in with minis. So like I'll do micros, right? But given the fact that like we sold off yesterday, and if you're looking at my chart again, right, you can see that we broke structure. So like if anyone's familiar with like trend lines, right? Once let me see. Hold on. Let me move you guys out the way a little bit. I'll do this live. Drawing. Okay. Oh, that's not it. I want to say, let's try this one. Okay. So you see this trend line,
Mm-hmm.
right? So this movement right here broke that downward structure that we had, right? So that was another thing that gave me confluence in the direction because overnight we sold off, we created a W pattern, higher low, and then we broke the trend. So it was a multitude of things that all lined up to say that we're most likely going to head up. And that's what gave me additional confluence or confidence in the trade to go long. And again, adding the psychological aspect of that tomorrow's a half day, 4th of July. Rarely do we see the market sell off, like the day or the day before or the day of 4th of July.
Mm-hmm.
So those are my reasoning, and I can spot trend breaks without having to mark it off, but I just did that so the viewers can see for themselves.
Yeah. Like it. I like it. That's actually one of my favorite setups. The one of the trend line long breaks. So, we have a huge long consolidation. You're trying to break a level, but going down, down, down. You wick down, form a bottom. In this case, we had a W bottom, which is even better.
Hmm.
So awesome trade. I mean, even without the news, kind of added fuel to that fire. But even without it, that would have been a great, great,
Yeah,
great,
because
great setup.
I was in ES. I was in ES longs at least like 15 minutes before the news came out.
Nice. Yeah. Why the ES choice over NQ? Is it to
Because
manage the position
yesterday
easier?
ES was performed a lot better than
Yes,
NQ.
indeed.
So for that reason, I'm like, okay, ES, YM, and Russell, they all performed way better yesterday over NQ. So that was the reason why I went with ES. And if I was right, I was going to add NQ to the mix, which I did.
Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, that's actually why I traded the ES yesterday over the NQ because the ES was way stronger, taking out highs. The NQ was just lagging,
Yeah. So
and range wise, it was easier to manage risk. So,
mhm.
so yeah, I'm
Yeah,
long the ES again. Let's see what we get.
awesome, awesome. Yeah, I like it. I like it
Yes, indeed.
very much. So let's see. We
Yeah,
have
I
Um,
also I also really like how gold is holding the area of demand that I had here on the daily.
I'm loading up your screen. Yep.
Yeah, so this is where I usually chart because it's more clear to me, and I'm so used to it now. um,
We all use trading views. Don't worry.
so on
I wish they
the
had a stock.
right,
all right.
I
Who
would
knows?
be, I would be beep beep.
All over it.
I would just be buying, 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 buying
Be all over
into
okay,
the
those
so
final
levels.
price.
on the weekly time frame, we have this weekly bullish fair value gap that it tapped into perfectly, and it just soaked up from there. On the daily time frame, it created another floor, another base here, and as it kept tapping into it, we finally broke above that level here. And then going into smaller time frames, I unfortunately did not take these longs just because it happened pretty much overnight and I was passed out. I went to bed early. But as soon as this broke here, like this retest was beautiful to take longs and then aim for this order block here. So now I would like to see another pullback, a higher low, a break above this order block. And as soon as it gives me confirmation to continue to go long, we are writing calls all the way to 4,400. So that's going to be exciting. Obviously, like Caesar said, we have a short date tomorrow. So I just don't think that's going to happen. So I may just look for the pullback here. But uh, don't really feel like trading today. My brain feels kind of like slow today. But I like
Yeah.
it. I like how it's holding.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, it's very early for you, of course. So we'll see. And if you did, as usual, if you don't feel it, don't do it.
Yeah, for sure.
So we're gonna see. Gold's looking interesting. We're seeing Some nice recovery moves. Let me open it longer term.
We have 6 minutes until market opens.
6 minutes until the open. I just nibbled a little bit of the ES here. We're gonna see if we can build a position and see what happens today. Do we get another payroll and bonus like yesterday? We'll see. Maybe we'll get another ego trade we can hold. We
Maybe.
shall see.
Well, MES looks
Let's see, we
completely
got
like
6 minutes, 6 minutes
different than
to
MNQ.
go.
Almost similar.
What'd you say?
It looks almost similar, but a little bit different. MES versus MNQ.
Same but different.
Yeah, like let me see. It's holding range on the daily. Oh, huh. Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if we break out to a new high.
I mean, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I see, two areas where we could possibly fail from. So let's call it the 7600s and maybe the 7650s. I'm just, since I always have a bull case, bear case, and a neutral case, and
Mhm.
I always need that reality check. Not to think we're going to 8,000 in one day, but
Mhm.
I'm more bullish just based on
Mhm.
the data that came out. So we'll see.
Yeah, it's holding nicely.
We shall see. Yep. I don't
So
know if we need to consolidate a little bit more before we really continue to the upside. Because after, let me just pull up my screen to show you guys something.
Abe, Abe was like, the only trade I made today was sending the government some tax money.
Abe, you need to get a futures account and start trading, man. You told me it's been what, 6 months since you traded? Let's get you an account. Let's get you funded just for
Damn.
funsies.
Void underscore A is like, if you're looking for a quick market rush, try 5 minis on the NQ at market open 4 minutes from now. It's better than a cold shower.
That's gonna
I
either
don't disagree.
it's either gonna be very good or very bad. If it's very
Yeah,
bad, expect someone to disappear for some days.
indeed.
Oh my God, 5 minutes?
Yesterday I accidentally did 2 minis right before the market opened.
Ooh.
So yeah, it's on video. So so yeah, that'll wake you up. Yeah, so looking at the ES right now,
Still better than in Q.
again, we've had this huge run up from where's this? So we had this huge run up from March all the way until June. Now we're kind of, consolidating. So I don't know if we're gonna just keep going up immediately. I feel like we might test these highs or even here shorter here, pull back, maybe fail, try again, fail again, go retest these highs before we go higher. But I mean, that's just me not trusting the market, but we'll see. I feel that and I hate to use the word feel, but I feel that we need to consolidate a little bit more. It's summer, it's hot everywhere.
Mhm.
Um, you know, I don't know if this saying is still valid. What was it again? Leave in May. You got to know this one, Caesar. Sell in May, go away, or something about traders taking their vacations in the summer. So
Oh
you
yeah,
sell in May and then you come back in October. They're just saying. I can't remember the saying. I'm butchering this now. But I don't know. I think we might need to consolidate a little bit more. But I might be totally wrong and we just explode up. So we'll see.
yeah. Yeah, something along those lines. But
Yeah, it's
that
selling
I would
May. I
say
can't
that was
remember.
valid. Maybe like a few, maybe a decade ago that was valid. But these last 7, 10 years, it hasn't played like that. Like normally people would be like, oh, the summertime and even in the fall around holidays, like the market would be super slow. But it
Hmm.
hasn't. Like it's been
Yeah.
very volatile to where you can make some good trades during those times. So. And especially now with no PDT, like, yeah. Oh, market's gone open.
Markets open. Markets open. Oh, it was sell in May and go away.
Gotcha. Deeper pull,
There we go.
deeper
Let's
pull.
see. Let's see. Let's see.
Okay. Try along here at 320. Approaching.
All right.
Yes,
So we're
we're
looking here. Trying to get some follow through. I have a huge wide stop there.
beautiful. Beautiful.
Two
Yeah,
R's.
let's go, baby.
Let's
Yeah, you're
see.
shorting.
I'm
I'm
long.
like,
I'm
I'm
long.
purposely not even looking at it.
And then I'll put a buy stop here.
Are you guys long
There you
Maybe.
go.
MES?
I'm long on MNQ and ES.
I'm long on ES. Just one contract for now. Waiting to add. All right.
Come on.
It added. Let's take these two up here.
Okay. Adding another.
You guys are ballsy. I'm gonna wait to see how this one closes to enter on the next one. If it holds 30.51.
Let's go.
Let's see what the MNQ is doing.
There we go. I'm in.
Interest pushing. Let's go. Lead this back over 30,100. My first
All right.
entry was 30,020. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Pushing higher.
Come on. Come on. Oh, it's so naughty.
I like how Caesar talks to the charts. It's like they're on a date.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
The other
thought,
day we were training, he was like, "All right, let's go. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on,
yeah,
come on.
be
It's
nice. Do what you're
funny."
supposed to do. Caress you, open the door, brought some flowers. Like, when I
Damn.
come on. She's being naughty.
I don't know if I should see the charts as male or female, or just.
When you look at your car, how do you see your car?
It depends on the car. If it's a truck,
All
it's a
car.
male. If it's
Yeah.
like a sedan or whatever, it's female to me.
Okay.
So
That makes good sense.
let's
That makes good sense. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And then it depends on whose car it is. If the owner, well, it depends on a couple of things. It depends
Now,
on
your car, like
like
it's your car. Like, how would you refer to your car?
my
Like,
car is a male car, like it's a
it's a male
guy's
car.
car.
Okay.
Yeah, and
It's a
with my
guy's
wife's
car.
car, it's I can't see it as a guy car.
Okay. Gotcha. Gotcha.
So, but just the car without, that's the thing. Sometimes I associate the car with driver, but sometimes it's just a car.
Yeah. Now, for me, it'd be like based off the lines. Like, if the car's like very like sleek, nice lines and
Yeah.
curves, female. Like,
Yeah, exactly. Say like a Porsche, I can't see it
female.
as a male, right? Always female.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, we're
And she really.
hesitating a little bit here. Let's see if we
Okay, there
open
we
up.
go. First TP hit. 31.15.
Damn, already?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, my entry was at 320, so 30,020.
Oh, let's show your screen.
Still going. Ooh, 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 ooh.
I'm
Okay.
selling one, moving risk a little higher.
Baby girl. Alright. I just added another one at 30,117. Oh, hello. Hello. Ooh, ES is just beautiful. Like, talk to me. Nice, baby.
Mhm.
Come on. There we go.
There we
There we
go.
go. There we go. Let's go, baby.
Boy, it's saying whether the market is male or female, it cooks everyone. I like it.
Oh, I
Yeah.
love
That's true.
that. That is
What is
That's
so
a
it?
new
interesting.
My,
that's a new saying we need to keep. I need to make a
Yeah.
bunch of
was it
t-shirts.
myself and a group of friends? We used to we probably still do, refer to NQ like as a crazy Latina. No offense, Alejandra.
Oh, hell no. That's
No offense,
Uh-oh.
no offense. Yeah,
that
it's
is
like,
so funny.
cause she be all over, man. It's like one minute like she like 1 minute she's cold, next minute she's hot. It's like, bruv. I'm like, yo, she's a straight up Latina.
I'm selling one here,
All right,
moving my
there we
risk into
go.
profit.
Same here. Sold one.
Come on, keep it
That's
going.
hella funny.
Keep it
If
going.
there was
Next target I would love would be like 30,200. So I'm gonna set mine probably like 85. Yeah, let's go.
30,200 is my first, my second profit target, and then my runner would be 3,400.
Nice.
Oh, I
Okay.
just got stopped out in profit.
Adding here. I'm adding here. It's above VWAP.
I like how Alejandra always says, "You know what? I don't feel like trading. I'm not gonna trade today." And then the
The
first
setup
person
was
in the
there.
market,
Oh,
the
It,
first
it's
person in the market
holding.
is you. But it's
It was
good. It's
holding
good.
that
We can
level
take.
perfectly. Like it was very, very clear. So I
I
like that.
like it. No, I like it. So, meaning
yeah.
the next time you tell me, yes, I want to trade, I'm ready, I should tell you, nope.
Yep. There you go. Yeah. I'm in it. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna get it.
For
TP
some
one.
reason, I don't know how it said my funded account was down $200. So I wanted to see what happened, or like if you could show me after this trade how to see the executions on the chart. I want to see what I traded.
Let's go.
Sure. I mean,
Let's
we could do
go.
it after, we could do it live, however you want.
No, I'm saying like after this trade because we're all managing this
After the
trade.
trade, yeah. Yeah, we're all looking at our trades.
Yeah.
I'm looking at my trade. Small trades.
80 nice, baby.
I don't know if we're gonna go all the way to TP here.
I think we will. Might
We
take a
can
little
just
bit, but
Yeah, it might take a
go.
while.
yet again, ES is the better play. Like ES is so close to taking out the data high,
Oh
whereas
wow, yeah.
NQ is still like a full 120 points away.
Yeah. What would be your TP for MES? Would it
MES, I would be looking at 75.80. I would be looking for it to take out the 75.76 and making a new high.
mm,
So yeah, I like 75.80.
mm-hmm.
Um,
Let's
and
see if we get it.
you know,
TP, my payroll TP is 75.77, right around there.
should be
We'll see if we
solid.
get it.
Wow. Wow.
Oof, I don't like
Damn.
that.
Okay. All right. Well, just took all my profits. Damn.
I don't like that. I close the trade. We'll get back in where we need to.
So
What a rejection.
Abe saying, "Be the liquidity you want to see in the markets." I like that one.
Stop loss gone.
come on.
That's a
That
good
was
one. That's a good
ugly.
I'm
one.
adding again because I still like this for the upside. I just added my cost average now is 30,069.
Look
Damn,
at
you
him.
got some
He
My first
does.
entry, my first entry is
confidence.
30,020, so I'm still good, yeah. So I'm just adding and taking off, adding, but still keeping the base. I have one contract left from my entry of 30,020. Let's see. Okay, get it.
IG62. All your profits are gone. What happened?
I only locked in like $130 and then I jumped in again and I was risking almost like the same. So I'm only down $20.
It is.
I know
Alrighty.
IG
Mina
too.
Cuddy.
There we go.
There we go. There we go. That's a very good push. Come on. Don't play with me, ho. Come on. Be nice. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Back over 100. Thank you. See, I'm
There we
telling you,
go.
she be playing. See? Straight up
She
He's
Latina, bro.
playing. Got me out. I'm only
Straight
1.5
up,
R
yo.
in
Straight
profit.
up. 1 minute she cool.
Hold
Acting all
on,
nice.
Caesar.
Next minute, psst, I don't know you.
Caesar, have you ever dated a Latina?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
He's speaking from experience.
Mm-hmm.
From experience. From
And we're the
experience.
best lovers, so
Man,
don't
Don't talk
be
no smack.
yeah.
he's doing it
I'm not talking
crazy.
smack. I'm just saying it's like, yo, the hot and cold be like NQ, and how violent NQ flips. You know,
Hmm.
y'all got tempers.
Hmm.
Yeah, see, don't comment.
Yes. No comment. No comment. All
Oh,
all I'm
come
gonna
on.
say is, you know what? I'm not gonna say anything. No comment. I can
We're not gonna
relate.
interject into it.
Yeah, I can relate. I'll just say I have a love and hate relationship with Puerto Rico.
Oh, okay.
Mostly love, though. Mostly love.
Mostly love. I
Yeah,
love Puerto Rico.
nah.
All right, the 1 hour looks really good. I need the 15 to continue to hold these higher lows. Um, I do not want to see another rejection candle. I need this to continue to keep holding. And
Looking better.
if it like goes sideways, I'm not gonna be interested anymore. But so far we're all in profit again, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, let's go. Good move. Good move. Back over 100. Let's go. I'm gonna drop one at 160, and the rest I'm gonna leave it for 200 target. Once it hits, I'm washing my hands. Let's go.
I love that.
ES is going. ES is going. Let's go. Here comes ES taking out the highs.
Yeah, yes, took
75.76.
off.
576.
Let's
Going
go.
Hit the
once.
TP I
Come
was
on.
aiming for.
Come on.
Didn't
Let this
catch
come.
that one.
Watch. 75.80. We gonna see it. Here it comes. Highs
Go.
taken. Highs taken. 75.77. Come on. 3 more points. 3 more points. Give me. Give me the sauce, baby. Give me the sauce, baby. 77.
Come on, baby.
Come on, 3 more points, 3 more points, 3 more points. Come on. 77.50. 78. Come on, 2 more. Come
I
on,
want to see
girl.
one nice big push so I can sell half in that 3 run.
What you in? You in ES?
I'm in Q. Yeah.
You? Okay, oh,
There
here
we
we go. Here
go.
we go. 79.80. Let's go. 75.80.
That's
Let's
it.
go. 75.81. ES is. Oh, let's go. Okay, NQ. Show up, baby. Show up. Let's go. 200. 200. Come on. Give me two. Let's go. 75.82 on ES, but I'm all out at 75.80. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice.
They talked to you today.
Yep. I said it like, talk to me nice, bruv.
Uh-oh. 100
Mm-hmm.
disappeared.
Let's go. Marvelous, marvelous, marvelous.
Marvelous.
Cheerio, mate.
Then
What we do? Oh, come on. You are such a naughty.
you're back.
Yeah, I got so scared.
Your internet went out.
Yeah, my
That's not
connection
fun.
just dropped. And
That
then
is no fun.
it was so weird because I thought it took me out of my position, and then like everything went blank, and then it said I had zero position. Like I
Really?
don't know.
Did it
Yeah.
take you out or?
No, I'm still in.
Okay.
How crazy.
And they're having fun in the chat. NQ said, "Nope, you're washing the dishes tonight."
For real? You see these pullbacks though?
All right, so are you guys still holding or what's going on here?
I have 2 left, but I might just say the hell with this and just kill it all at 180.
Sheesh, I know, right? I'm gonna start trimming here.
Yeah. Oh my god, I want that 200 so bad. Though. I know she wants it.
Oh, I'm still in. I'm still in full size. Damn.
I'm gonna risk a little bit more. I'm gonna move my stop to 120. If it pulls back to it and stops me
Okay.
out, so be it.
The struggle.
Yeah, I needed to continue to keep going here. Otherwise, I'm not liking this anymore. This is why I don't do
It's
longs.
like
Why
it
does it
want.
take
It's like it
forever?
wants to go. It feels like forever. It's only been 3 minutes. It feels like it wants to go.
There's no way it's only been 3 minutes.
I don't know when you entered, but it feels like it's only been
37.
3 minutes.
No, it's been 10 minutes since I entered.
Okay.
I need more coffee. Where's my assistant? Where's my Mexican partner? My Latino partner.
Huh?
Caesar went to London and came back saying cheerio, mate.
Yeah. Like, cheers, mate. Like NQ straight taking the piss right now. Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Like leave me there for a week. Oh my god, I'll be speaking straight like them.
I know when I went to Puerto Rico, I was like kind of talking like them. I'm like, oh my gosh.
Puerto Rico?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a funny
Why are you doing this? Why are you playing?
accent.
They just have their own way of talking, you know?
Yeah.
Their own lingo. All right, come on. We're holding a nice higher low here on the time, so we should get a nice push from here. I want to see a break above 148.
Thank you.
Yeah, I entered on the pullback and added. I don't want to leave you guys alone.
Wow, MES is really going. I think it's gonna go.
I entered the
76,
NQ actually. I gave up on the ES.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah, NQ still has it. Like there's no way.
If it wants to take off, it's gonna take off.
Yeah, like
it's
that's
just taking a while.
It's like, come on, bro. Like, yeah. 75.90 on ES coming. Come on, NQ. There you go. Give me 200.
Come on, baby.
I'm ready to talk smack to it. I'm ready to like,
Either relax, breathe.
She's like, relax.
Come on, man. It's like,
I'm gonna need some gifts for all of us. I need to make some gifts and some emojis so I could play and run trades.
200. There you go.
Damn, the network threw me off a little bit because right when I pressed sell half of my position, it just completely shut off. And then when I came back, I didn't realize I was still in full size. So it just like messed with my head a little bit. So I'm only holding 3 now. I'm just going to hold it to 30,280 as a runner.
Okay. Oh, you're in with 3?
Hmm.
You, look at you.
All right.
Yes, look
I
at you.
only went in with two.
Risk is in profit, so risk free just in case anything happens.
I like it.
There we
Come on,
go.
come on.
Wow, guys, I'm
I
so
can't see your
proud of
screen.
myself.
Two, go to
I
two.
never take longs.
200. Come on.
Hey,
Thank
look at
you.
you. Look
Thank
at you
you.
taking longs.
Let me check this.
Did you turn the chart on?
And- But actually, let me see.
There's a way to do it. I don't know
200
how to do
hit.
it.
200 hit. Thank you.
Yes, indeed. 200 hit.
I'm telling you, man. It's like I knew she wanted to go.
All right.
But I had to
I
play.
wanna take my first one out at 250
There we
actually.
go. That's
215?
wonderful.
250
Oh,
or
250. Okay.
just before. We'll see if we get it.
Yeah. I want to let a runner go to 320.
Yeah, the we're gonna see if we get the ego trade.
Yeah.
Stupid rejection. Nasdaq with the bullshit. See? Can't just act like ES and just go one direction, no pull. Just
Man, yesterday was just one direction
But
on the
when
ES.
you're
It was
shorting
great.
it, it goes one direction.
mm-hmm. Facts.
This is very, very nice. It's a very beautiful hold. It actually, I mean, other than the
Looking
little
great.
choppy,
Looking
but
great. Unbiased traders saying suggestion increasing activity rule to 30 days. That's the only thing stopping you to get futures. Really?
What?
hmm.
So you want inactivity to be 30 days, which means because right now it's 14 days.
What does inactivity mean?
Basically, you don't if you don't trade for a certain period of time,
Uh-huh.
your account gets suspended.
Oh,
So he wants 30 days instead of 14. But I think 14 is pretty reasonable. I mean, if you're a day trader, I think I can't remember the last time I went a month without trading at all.
I know. I would have to be like somewhere without internet. It's so hard
But
not to.
I mean, fair enough. It depends on how you trade. If you're a swing trader, I get it. But
Yeah,
Let's go.
I'm selling one here and leaving a runner to 315. I'm up 900. I should just close it. But I mean, it's still a
nice,
runner. It's still a runner, so it's fine.
nice, noise. All right, I just sold one.
That's me. Yeah, that was me closing out.
That's you closing out. All right.
Good job,
Nice,
Peter.
nice, nice. Let's show you some. It's five. It's almost 4th of July.
There we go.
That was
Boom.
really cool how we were all in sync in the same trade. Like
I
that,
like it. I love it. I love it.
I don't think that's
I
happened before.
love it. We had no, that's true. All three of us in the same trade, right off the almost right off the open. Doesn't happen often. Man, my ES trade would have been a monster now if I didn't
There's
get
75.92.
scared.
Told you.
Jesus.
I told you.
Jesus. That's where my second TP was. But
Wow,
anyways,
look at this.
we're
Beautiful.
long NQ. And this is going to be the ego trade. Let's see how far we can take this. Unbiased traders saying your mind RAM is very small. You need long periods of reset. Okay. I mean, fair enough. I get it. If you need a break, but I don't know. I don't know if we'll get 30 days. Maybe we could discuss having a different period for day trade accounts and swing trade accounts. We'll see. But I don't know. I think 14 days is pretty reasonable overall. For me, for example, I mean, that's very reasonable. And then my solution is you just take a quick trade, in and out. No need to risk a lot to stay in the game.
All right, we're seeing rejection here at the 250s. So as long as because we closed above it, I'm still holding my long. So I want to see if we can sweep on MNQ the previous high of day at 313. I was gonna enter it on my other account, but I don't like trading two accounts at the same time, especially longs.
Especially calls.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yep. Like I was saying, it's been a challenge for me, and I had to stop. I realized I can't do both. I don't know if I'll start again in the near future, but
What I
I'm
used to
just
do is
trading.
I used to just set
Yep.
the limits and like go in with one, and I'll like set my risk, and then I'll set my profit target, and then as it's going my way, right, hoping that it's going my way, um
Hmm.
I will just move the risk into profit. And so if it doesn't go my way, then like there's no extra stress added on the other trade, and I'm just managing one trade. And another thing that has helped me is like if I'm trading a real account, like my either my live or a funded, um, I try not to look at that one, because when I look at that one, the stress gets higher, which is interesting. I don't know if like that happens to you guys. So I just watch the other trade that I can manage, and then just let whatever happens on the other side, as long as I'm managing my risk well.
Okay.
Huh.
What was happening to me is just having to do too many things at once, and my other accounts, I would trade bigger than this one that you see live. So I don't know. For example, if I'm taking two contracts here on the NQ, I would be taking double the amount, um or sometimes a little bit more on the other account. So I don't know, I would get distracted. I would enter late on the other one.
Mm,
So I'm like, you know what, I can't do. And what I would do is start trading these accounts after our live session. And that's why my data was showing, okay,
I
you trade
see.
better from noon to 2. I'm like, how
Mm,
is that possible? But
okay.
now I understand why. So I'm
All
just
right,
not
it's gonna
trading them
stop me
now.
out, I think, unless it holds here.
I think we're due for a pullback. We'll see.
All
But you're
right.
good. Your stop is in profit. You've made a bunch of profits.
Yeah.
So you're good.
Um, how do I how do I get rid of the confirmation? Like I know I can
Um,
press the button, but like I if the button is
so yeah. Do you Okay, now instead of pressing OK, uncheck the blue check.
uh-huh.
And if you don't want to get out of the trade, you could press cancel. But if you do,
Oh,
you just
I
press OK and
do.
I'll take you out. Okay.
Yeah, I do. I just wanted to lock in 800. I didn't want to like 800 a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Um, okay, so two questions. Are you flat? That was my
No,
first.
but I could talk. I'm good.
That was not my first question. Okay, so the first question is, how come it's a simulator when this is my funded account?
It's always gonna say simulator.
Okay.
I think it's a Black Arrow thing
Okay.
because you can also put your brokerage account there. So
Oh,
I
interesting.
guess it's just their way of managing it. I don't know.
Okay,
But
and
even when
then
you're funded, it says simulator.
got it. Okay, thank you.
As long as
And
it's
then
not the red one. The red one is the actual sim. You see that one? If you go below, all the way, yeah, that one is
oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
like the sim. You see there's like $1 million there, so.
Yeah, okay. And then the other question was, how do I get the executions on here?
So, top um
Let's go. Still going.
I'm going to show you on mine what you need to see, and then
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to try to point you there.
Okay.
So, If you go there, there's like this little portfolio icon, and then there's this icon, right?
If I go where?
This is my mouse. You go straight
Yeah.
up. There's portfolio, which is a circle, and then to the right of that, there's this. You see it?
Order list?
So you click there,
Mhm.
and then you can see trades, charts, etc. Is that what you're looking for?
No, I want to see the execution marks on the chart.
Oh, the execution marks. So you go
Mhm.
there on the little I, and then you put show trades.
Show orders and
Switch back.
positions.
Let me. No, it says show trades. Let me go back to your screen so you can see it.
Mine doesn't have that.
Huh. That's weird. Why doesn't yours have that? Click
Mhm.
on the settings to the right. Okay, there you go. Show.
Wow. I think it is gonna go hit 330s. It's
I'm
going
still
right now.
holding. I'm holding
Holy moly.
for the both of us.
Beautiful pop.
This is me not being confident in my longs.
You're good, but either way, if you made more profit, you would hit the consistency limit, and you would have to trade more. So,
Hmm. Oh,
because
we have a
that's your new eval, right?
yeah. We
Yeah.
have a
So it should
40% consistency, right?
exactly. So you could
How much?
make more profits. 40.
40%? Okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
Yeah. So
40% of the
you
profit
try to
target,
keep
right?
40% of your total. So you could make more.
When you say the total, are you saying 40% of 50,000 or 40% of the total profit target?
40% of the total profit target. So your
Okay,
profit target is 3K, and
it's 1,200.
40% of that is 1,200 exactly.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah. So I try to keep it around 1,000, close to 1,000 max. This way, it's easier.
Hmm. Easy management.
I'm not sure why we can't see that on yours. Give me a second. Let me see.
Mm-hmm.
General.
Let's go. Come on. Now data high is 319. Yeah, that's the high.
Visibility. Okay. So go right click on the chart. Can close that. Right click on the chart. Go to
45.
it should be visibility. Let me see where visibility is.
I don't have that option still.
There, second option. Second. Oh, you still don't have it. That's weird.
Interesting.
Huh.
Dang, I shouldn't have sold. I didn't want to see a big pullback and then like be lock in only like 500,
You said you
That
don't want to see a big pullback?
no, I like when I was in it because I wasn't too confident about holding,
100,
Mm-hmm.
100 next.
and I didn't want to. Yeah, wow, this is so nice. Like
Looking
beautiful,
good.
beautiful trade. Are you still holding?
I am still holding. I didn't have as good of an entry as you did, but I'm still holding. Again, that's why I do the whole payroll bonus thing, is because I take the profit off on the trade. I was on this one. I was just long 2 contracts,
Mm-hmm.
so I take the profit off, and then the rest. That's why my stop is basically I usually put like a $5 stop just to pay for commissions. So call it $5-6.
Mm-hmm.
Because now I just want to find out whether I'm right or not. I don't care about how much I make.
Mm. Okay. What's
The first one I do care about how much I make. I need to make at least 1 R plus.
yeah.
Um, and because I made a little bit of profit on the ES, then we're
Mhm.
good. So 150 plus 250, whatever it is.
Mm.
So
So
about $400. And
I
then if I
see
get that, then we get an extra bonus. Yep.
I see MNQ uh taking the 15-minute previous high of day from 2 nights ago at 411. So that's the next area that I see it
Reshape this puppy.
getting rejected at.
You said rejection at 415.
Yeah, or like I see it running to 34,400.
Oh, 3,400. Yeah, that's more or less where I have my TP. It's 3,455. It's not an exact one, but
Mm-hmm.
we might have a pullback that stops me out and I'm wrong. That's fine.
Yeah.
But right now we are at the previous day's point of control, and if I had missed that run, then that's where I would be looking to possibly go long again.
Hmm.
Let me pull up my chart and show you guys
Yeah, if we
something.
get a big pullback, I will try to go long again on a different account.
So what I'm looking at right now is, okay, we broke this. We hit that 50% area we always talk about, which is basically this pocket right here. We're pulling back. So what I would like to see is us hold around 30,180, 30,175, more or less, hopefully. Form a base there and then continue higher and hopefully hit 375 to 400, right? That would be the ego trade. But if that doesn't work out, then it's fine. We had
Hmm.
a pretty good range. What was the range? 181 points. Man, these ranges keep getting bigger. So we'll see. This The only thing though, this pullback is not too controlled. But I don't see volume increasing too much. So we'll see. But again, this is just I'm gonna say it again. Like I said yesterday, it's just mental masturbation. This is just to satisfy my need to see whether or not there was follow through. But
Hmm.
in terms of profit, we're locked in. Um, Small profit for today, but it's fine. The real trade should have been the ES trade. Man, I
You know how
panicked.
the payouts work for Black Arrow for the fivers? Like, let's say I hit like 3,000 by um, Monday.
Hmm.
I funded it yesterday, so it's gonna be
So did you get your funded account yet or not? There's like a risk
yeah.
review. Okay. So if you got that, then you're good. Actually, I'm going to pull up the FAQ so everybody can see them. Um, let's go the fivers, futures. This way we can see the policies together.
Hmm.
So first thing, it's an 80-20 split.
Okay.
So you keep 80, the fivers keep 20. And then let's go to the FAQs. Oh, nice. They updated it.
Mm.
Great job, Abe and Daniel. Okay, so first of all, payout caps. For 50K, payout cap is 1,500 for the first payout. Then it grows to 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, and then um, yeah, max payout is 3K on the 50K.
Okay. But like how often or how many times?
It's twice a month, so every 14 days.
Hmm. After how many days of the first day funded?
You just need to reach the payout target.
Threshold?
So for the 50K funded stage, you need to reach a 4% target. 4% is 2,000.
Okay.
So if you reach 3,000, then you're eligible for a payout, and you can get 80% of that. And then once you get paid out, your trailing drawdown gets recalculated based on your new total.
Got it. Thank you.
You
All right,
are
we're getting a nice
welcome.
pullback here.
Let's see.
Mm.
Oh man, we're already close to my my stop. So I'll get stopped out. No, it's fine. I'll get stopped out.
Okay.
Guys, the chat is quiet. Let us know. Let us know what you want us to look at. This is my ego trade that I'm holding. So I already took, my TPs up there, and actually I recovered from a loss on this one.
Ooh.
It's
Gold
fine.
broke out of the level that I wanted, so that is interesting. I would
Gold
love
breaking out.
for it to continue to the upside.
Let's pull up your screen so you can show what you're looking at.
Yeah, on the 30-minute time frame, I wanted a break of this level here. Broke out, pulled back, try to hold, it's pulling back again. So this could be a good opportunity to enter to go to 42.24. I don't know. It's just like, how do I invert this? Because
You want to look at it upside down?
yeah,
I haven't found how to invert it yet.
I thought you just go to the price here.
Yeah, I don't know. I have to look at it. But yeah, like Richard is saying, guys, there's only 13 likes and there's like 60 people watching. So we need
Oh,
61
come
now.
on,
So
guys.
we need more likes. Help us out. We do this for you.
Let's go. Let's go.
So let's go.
Click, 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 click. Let's see if we can get to 100 likes. Can we get to 100 likes?
Let's see.
Share the YouTube to your friends and family. Post it on your story. Share it to your Discord, people.
There you go. We need at least 50 likes because there's 60 people watching. So let's go. Let's get it. Sam is in the house. All right. Samir. You remember Samir that trades with us?
Samir.
Yes, indeed. Sam's here. How you doing? Let's run up those numbers. Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking forward to trading with you next week. All right, we're getting the reaction I wanted. You see, that's the thing I'm talking about. I shift my focus. I'm looking at likes. I'm looking at, let me show you. I'm looking at other stuff, and then the entry. That's the challenge of trading live. You see, the entry comes where we just talked about it. I was like, okay, what I want to see is we pull back, we hold between the 200s and the 175s. We held here. We'll see if we get a second opportunity for a continuation, but it looks like I'm going to miss this one. Let's see. Yes. Yeah, yes.
I entered in
Breaking
again.
higher. You entered in? I feel it's kind of late for me. 1-to-1.
I just entered in with one.
Yeah, it's a little late for me. We've already moved 110 points. These ranges are insane.
Yeah, I know. I moved my risk to almost pretty much break even, so
Nice. You said you ended your day almost break even? Uh-oh. Alejandro's frozen. I think internet issues again. Yeah, man, I miss you too. Let me give you some balloons. Cheer you up. I like that profile picture. And then, yes, Richard, you're a Nasdaq trader. You should be here. You should be here trading futures with me, showing me how it's done, showing me your 4 exits. Get in there. we'll both teach Abe. I actually want to see Abe trade badly. I want to see that. Maybe we should do it in the Discord.
What's that?
So Abe, our Discord manager, the guy who handles all the Discord for us, he says he hasn't traded in 6 months. I'm like, how is that possible? Everybody should be trading. I don't think he trades futures, so we're gonna have to teach him how to trade futures.
Okay.
Live.
Equities? Was he with Trader Pool?
No, he was with the Fivers traded Forex, I think.
Forex, not CFDs. Okay. Gotcha.
You give me. I want to taste it. I want to overdose on success, Rich. Come on. I want to overdose. You're back. You're back.
Oh my God! I need to have a word with Verizon here. I'm gonna get stuffed out.
Is your Verizon Latina?
Hey, easy.
Don't stop with her, bruv.
That's my one and only comment. You see how she reacted? She was like, easy.
Mm-hmm.
And then yesterday I asked her for advice. I'm like, oh, I need to do my social media, blah, blah, blah. What do you think? And then I felt like it was my I don't know, either my mom or whatever. She gave me the Latina answer. She was like, shut up and record, dude. What are you talking about? Like, why are you overthinking? She didn't say it exactly like that, but that's what she wanted to say. Yeah. So, I went to my corner, cried. I'm back. We're ready. She's
but
like,
watch, when your stuff goes viral,
shut up, just record, huh?
When your stuff goes viral, you're gonna come back and be like, Alejandra, if it wasn't for you.
I owe it all to her.
What exactly are you looking to do?
Ask Caesar.
Yes. Let me. Oh, wait. Before that, we'll come back to that. Wait, I needed Caesar for one thing. Wait. Okay. Man, I had that loaded up. I almost forgot.
What?
We need to bet on the game. But you're going to pick the score. Here's the score I have. Okay, here's the score I want. Whoa, that's a lot of zeros. Wait. That's a typo. That's why I entered 20 contracts yesterday. Yep. I want to see 2-1.
Yes.
Okay, that's what I want to see.
I love that.
You like it?
I love it. Yeah.
We're gonna bet that, right?
We're gonna bet that. I'm with it.
Okay, we're gonna bet that. Submit prediction. We got it.
Oh my God, bro.
I'm gonna share this, guys.
That happens, dude. That happens tomorrow. The internet's gonna break.
It's the end of the World Cup if that happens.
Legit. It don't matter who goes to the final. Like, it's just gonna be like, yo, Cape Verde beat Argentina, bro.
Yes. It's not even Argentina. Okay, they beat Messi.
Yeah, we'll see, which I'm rooting for. Trust me, dude. I am rooting for. I got fingers crossed, man. I'm about to say a couple of prayers.
Man, let's light all the candles.
Yes. Yeah. That's gonna be an epic one, but yes.
So yeah, I wanted to do that with you. So just reminding everyone, you can go bet on the game. If you bet correctly, you can win an account. You're gonna get if you bet correctly, you're gonna get entered into a raffle for a chance to win an account. I just posted it in the chat. You guys go and put your predictions in. I just put my prediction here. Oh, we got a few Cape Verde predictions. We got a 1-0. Oh man, we got 3-0 Argentina. We got 2-1. His name is David, so that's good. We know he's a good guy. All right. Anyways, you guys go bet. I put it in the chat. We still got
some time.
We still got some time. Let me take those questions and then we'll go back to the social media thing.
Yes.
Abe saying I invest every spare penny building up that retirement. That's good. You're being smart with your money. I like it. Uh, limit orders on EU, but you're down. Man, you need to come to the future side. It's the best side. Andrew saying thoughts on IGV.
IGB, is that a stock?
I'm not sure. The is it the I see the share the tech share ETF.
IGB.
IGV. So we'll see. Take Keith. How you doing? You need to come earlier, man.
IGB,
Uh,
Citigroup index? No.
he's saying, do we think software is gonna lead Q3, Q4?
Um, no. I think it's still going to be more of like the chip manufacturers and data storage, right? So like the memory aspect of when it comes to the digital space and the AIs. Moving forward, I think that's what's going to lead, not
Okay, so
software.
data
Software is almost
storage,
there.
chip manufacturing, kind of the same theme we've been having.
Yeah.
Um, let's see. Let me pull up the IG. I was about to pull up the IGV chart to see IGV.
Hmm.
I share expanded tech software sector. Okay.
It's I. What is it again?
IGV.
Oh, IGV. Okay.
Yeah, let me hide it. Let's put it on the daily.
Ooh, wow.
Wow.
Yeah, you
Wow.
see that 15? I mean, looking at this is nice that it's back to 95. If we could get a daily closure over that, I mean, this would be right back on track to head back to 100, 105. Daily looks good. Let's take a look at a weekly.
Yeah, I'm looking
Weekly
at
looks
the
good.
weekly.
Yeah,
Weekly just recovered. I have a 200 here. The weekly just recovered.
I like it.
So we'll see. I want to see what's the 100 is always a critical number. Let me put a
Yeah,
line here.
psychological, whole half number marks.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's
But
always a
I like this
critical
back to
number.
105, honestly. That weekly lower
Yeah, that
high
wick.
at 107, I think.
Mm-hmm. Like
107, 108. Yeah,
107,
I like that.
107.90.
Yeah, yep, I like that.
Yeah.
Amazon and
So
Google are pushing too. Sorry. You saw that.
no problem. So yeah, we dipped below, reached the high there on the weeklies, pulled back. We tapped into that 200-day moving average, and we're pushing higher. So I think, like Caesar's saying, 100 is definitely a reasonable target
Hmm.
on the weeklies. We'll see how it behaves around there. There's this little pocket here that I could see right around 105, 1 to 107. And then there was a little gap here last time it was recovering like that above the 200 moving average. So I think that area, that 100 to 105, is going to be an area to watch. You want to see what kind of behavior you get there. Do you get some consolidation and continuation, or do you need to go retest lower before you go back up? But it's looking constructive, in my opinion. So we'll see. IGV inner gang victims.
Good job, Andrew Smith.
Um,
Oh,
I'm not beautiful.
I kind of want to enter long again on M&Q here if it holds this level.
It's a good long off of the 30,080, creating a higher low from the was it 3020? It's a good area. 3080. If it can get back over 130, it's a good sign for moving back up to 200. But I'm done. I'm done on the day.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I want to be done too.
made a little something on my black arrows.
I like it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Especially when you said the 14-day inactivity, because I'm like, I haven't traded these accounts since we did the
The
competition, the
1v1s.
battle. Yeah, the one-on-ones. So I'm like, yeah, let me
Oh,
trade that before I lose them.
Yeah, you just need to do a quick in and out and it stays active.
Yeah.
But
Um,
but yeah,
but yeah,
yeah, I'm not 100% convinced yet. I'm gonna wait. It's a good area, like Caesar says.
yeah. Going back to the social media thing.
Yes, back to the
So
social media.
yeah, so like find like different. I would say like take a look at different contents that you want to like push, right? And
So,
then
so,
just
so
see.
wait, let me tell you first.
Uh-huh.
I'm not. It's not that I'm out of ideas. I have too much. I have too many ideas and too many things I could do.
Yeah.
But knowing myself, I want to do something that I enjoy and that I can sustain. Because if not, I'm gonna quit after 3 weeks.
That's what I'm saying.
Um,
So like once you have what like figure out like what you really enjoy to do.
s- so I know that's what I'm gonna tell you, and I want
Okay.
your feedback.
Yeah.
That's not like what Alejandro's like. Nah, just record, bro.
Okay.
So the two things I want to touch on is, since we're always talking about prop firms or whatever, that's one aspect. I want to be talking about how to stay funded. There's a lot of content around how to get funded, prop firm, whatever, a lot of beginner info. I don't want to do the beginner info. I'd rather talk about, intermediate to advanced stuff. That's one aspect.
Mm-hmm.
The other thing is more, and that's for me selfishly. I want to be not more more knowledgeable when it comes to macroeconomics and stuff like that. And that's what I want to talk about.
Okay.
I don't want to be talking about beginner stuff. So what do you think?
Um, I
That's a
like
guaranteed channel fail.
I want to
yeah,
see how
no,
he
so
answers.
I definitely like the talking about the prop firms and like and how to stay funded, right? Because there's no one's really talking about that. You have a lot of
Yeah.
people
Mhm.
talking about, the pros and cons of different prop firms that they're affiliated with and so forth. You don't have many, going drilling, how to stay funded. As far as
Mhm.
macroeconomics and stuff like that, a lot of it's good, but at the same time, a lot of it is gonna go over a lot of people's heads, right? Like when it comes to that, like I don't. There's only let's just say there's probably going to be like maybe like a small group of people that you'll really be able to talk about that and they're going to understand it. Like most traders know, okay, oh, Friday, NFP. Some majority of the people traders they don't know what NFP is. They don't know
So
some
that's
PPI.
the way I want to approach it. The way I want to
Yeah,
approach it is kind of educational, both for me and the traders, to
yeah,
kind of know, okay, NFP came out. What is NFP?
yeah.
How does it affect the market? For example, the number was 100K, it came out at 57. It's a negative number, but yet the market
Holy
went up.
moly.
Why did it go up? Things like that. That's how I want to see it.
Yeah,
And it's good for me because for things I already know, it's a good refresher. And but for things
yeah,
I don't know, then I just be learning and teaching it as well.
yeah.
So that's the idea.
I get
But
it's good.
it
I
might be
like it.
boring content that people don't click. So we'll
Make
see.
it
Holy
fun.
moly. Are you
Like
guys watching this drop?
Yup.
Ah, shoot.
You can
Yeah.
make it fun. I'm saying like don't be
Yeah.
don't be all like monotone and whatever. Like try to make it fun. I mean you have a good presence, good follow through. So I think just doing it as you are, with
Yeah.
the enthusiasm you have, it'll be good. Yeah, it'll be
All
receptive.
right.
Yeah, go
Well,
for it.
we'll try. We'll try and see what happens. We're
Wow.
falling now, though.
Yeah, talk about it.
Thank you for that answer, Caesar. You see,
You're welcome.
Alejandra, he was nice. Now I don't have to go cry in a corner. I know
But
I
just
still have to
record.
hit record. I know I still have to do it because this is all talk, talk, talk. But all
Yep.
right,
Yeah. But yeah, nah,
I
yeah,
appreciate both of your advice. Okay,
yeah,
I
that's a
appreciate it.
really good one.
I appreciate Caesar's gentle approach, and I appreciate the smack that Alejandra gave me. Wake me up.
Wow, wow,
It's
wow.
just
What?
my personality. I wasn't trying to be
Nah, I'm joking.
harsh.
Trust me, I got thick skin. My mom used to beat me with chanclas all the time. So you're not gonna,
Same here.
we're good.
This was a beautiful double top. Again, I don't trade patterns, but holy moly, like that's
Yeah,
a
that was,
beautiful double top.
That was great.
I wish I would have seen it, but because like that is like one of my setups. But because it didn't hit the resistance area that I wanted, I just wasn't 100% confident in that short. On the 15-minute time frame, I do see a bearish fair value gap that we tapped into perfectly. I didn't
Wait,
have that
I
long.
just switched to your screen. They couldn't see what you were showing. Now
Okay.
you could show it. Sorry.
Okay.
By the way, you could say switch to my screen. I'll switch your screen
Oh, it's okay.
if it's
All
not.
right, so I had my level up here because I thought we would push to this level here, and we might at some point, but I did not have this drawn here on the 15-minute time frame. We have this bearish fair value gap. We tapped into it perfectly twice, and yeah, I wanted to see if we would sweep this high, but we didn't. So double rejection, 5-minute time frame, we have like this little order block here. It was a very, very beautiful short. Now I have FOMO.
I
But
have
it's okay.
FOMO too. I'm gonna see because I'm wondering, did we just sweep the opening print and I don't know.
Yeah.
Somebody's entering.
That's me. Just entered a long, just 1 micro. Just test out the waters. Scalp a little something more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's see. Can I get it?
Yeah, Andrew Alejandro said focus. You like SPX calls 7580 676. Okay. So
All right.
next
I'm gonna
week.
try the longs here, risking below this white line.
All right, we're all taking the same trade.
All out. Quick little scalp. Just a
Quick
quick little
scalp.
scalp to satisfy the mental masturbation. And you said my saying was something anal, like don't be anal about getting out at a specific entry.
Yeah, yours was rough. I don't know if mine is as rough.
Oh, yes, it's
The
up there.
don't be anal is still the top of the
I
comment.
don't know, man. If we drop a poll, I don't know. Let's ask.
Mhm.
I need to figure out how to make these polls on YouTube. Yeah, because I need to know what's better or worse. By the way, let me see if we got to those likes. Guys, are we still at the 13 likes? Let me see. Guys, 21 likes. Come on, pump this up. Pump this up. We need to get to at least 50 likes. Come
How
on.
many people we have?
We
Watch.
have overall 99 people. It was 199. So we got about 50
Yeah,
on Twitter and 48 on
that's to 50.
now it's 101. We got
Get us to
101 people watching,
100.
guys.
Can we get 100
Huh?
likes? I said, can we get
Can,
100 likes?
can we,
Don't ask
I'm
for
not
50.
Yeah,
I'm
can we get
asking for
100
half.
likes?
I'm asking for half. At
Come on.
least 50.
Got 3 people on, calling out some killer entries and trades. Walk through. Come on. Give us 100. Get us to 100. I don't know. Maybe we might have to like offer like a giveaway or something to entice 100. Like at 100 likes, we could offer a giveaway.
Yeah, we're giving away knowledge. We're showing a bunch of stuff now. So we can't come on, guys. Likes don't
Work with
cost
us.
you anything.
Work with us. It don't cost you nothing.
They
I
don't
don't know if
cost you
this is
nothing.
gonna
Just
hold
smash that
here.
button. Smash that button.
I don't know. We'll see.
It better hold.
No.
Let me invert to see if I get something different. Oh yeah, it's holding. Okay. Mm.
Yes, looks like it wants to hold. But paper hands on this one.
I don't know. I'm getting second thoughts about this. Just because I don't like the longs, like it gives me anxiety
Why?
because it takes forever.
The
Like,
shorts
did you see how
sometimes.
fast that short was?
Yeah, it
Like
was fast. I
that.
like it.
Look at this. It's just like
Yeah,
it's
I
looking
think we probably get follow through to the
like
downside.
I don't want to hold this and take a bigger loss. And that's just gonna mess with my psychology because I already took two killer trades.
What's the saying
Dang.
again? When in doubt, get out.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, let's see if it
Yeah,
holds through tonight.
I think I'm gonna go the other way with this. I don't think it's gonna continue up.
Mm. Jeez.
So we're switching sides. Let's see if we get
I
follow
think we're
through.
cooked. Mhm. I need to see a higher low here on the 15-minute time frame, but it's already looking really weak.
Yeah,
Let's
let's lock this
see.
up for the day.
My entry was not that great either. Well, I mean, it wasn't that bad, but definitely testing my
All
risk
right,
right now.
I'm gonna risk my profits on this one.
No, it's I would be so surprised if we actually get like a flush because it's looking really weak. It's not looking very strong. It couldn't go past above the 280s level. We got a double rejection. We are holding a 4-hour bullish fair value gap here, so I need this to hold at this level over 920. Otherwise, it's just gonna hit my stop loss.
How many likes we got now? I'm gonna see, man. Let's see. IG6207. I hope you hit that like button 50 times.
Okay, good. It's holding that level. So let's see if it can actually really hold.
Let's see. Otherwise, I'm gonna get stopped out. I'm short.
Yeah, but I don't really like it. Like, I wonder if it just came down to take stop losses before I can continue to go higher.
Yeah, it might be.
And I would love to add one more if it holds above 30,000 and then just trim on the way up. We have
It
20
might
minutes
be.
per stream. There we go.
We're still at 23 likes, guys. What's going on?
They're not liking us.
Guys, you don't like us? That's what's going on.
They don't like
Unbiased
this.
Trader saying, see you all. Take care. Take care, Unbiased Trader. Thanks.
Come on, bro.
Andrew Smith called it. He said pump incoming. I guess that's the pump.
Yeah, Andrew Smith is a market maker. Mhm. My dog is snoring in the back. I wish I was her.
Your dog is what?
Snoring. You guys should see her. She looks so comfortable.
Dogs. I think dogs have in house dogs have the best life.
I did about 100
Sleep,
likes myself.
eat. Did about 100 likes. I like it. Andrew Smith. Yeah, you're the market maker, huh?
But I need the candles to pump more, not just two little 1 minute candles. I need a full 15 bullish.
Let's see what we get.
This might be my last trade of the day because gold is still not ready. I'd love to trade gold tonight.
So you prefer to
Gold,
trade gold during the Asian session?
yeah, moves.
Yes,
All right,
yes,
volume
better
incoming.
at that time.
My right eye is like twitching, and I know that's from like eye stress.
Do you lower your screen intensity?
Mm,
'Cause that helps. My screens are like really dark,
I should
so
do that.
like
I don't
I
know. I
put
don't
them
know how
at
to.
like 20%.
I don't know how to do that to my monitor.
You have to physically touch the buttons on your monitor.
Oh, that's why. Okay, I'll
Yeah.
do it after. Because I know how to do it on my Mac. I think my next setup, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get a actual computer and switch over to Windows.
Oh, you're trading Mac on a laptop?
Yeah.
Nice. I used to be a Mac user for the longest time, but I've been converted.
I'm still a Mac, but I do use the PC just because of a lot of the platforms. They're more compatible with the PC and the gaming PC. But yeah,
Yeah.
for the longest time I was like always Mac. It was the Mac desktop, it was the Mac Mini, the Tower. But then it's like, all right, like I had to convert to PC, and it was like a culture shock. 'Cause I was calling my brother or different people like, yo, how do I do this? How do I do that? Like, I've been using
Yeah.
Mac since like 2000.
Oh, wow. Okay, so you've been a deep Mac user.
Yeah, yeah. Back when it was like that one screen and like that like greenish color. It was like a oval type shape.
Yeah, I remember those.
Yeah. So yeah, I've been using them since then.
Yeah, they're good, but I think over the years the PCs have caught up. I mean, they were Macs are very reliable, extremely reliable. I remember I had a Mac I bought in I think 2015, and then my wife had her PC, and she had to change computers 3 times, and I still had that Mac. So they're pretty reliable. But PCs have made a lot of progress, and overall, just like you, because of the software and everything, I um I switched to PCs. Let's look at Nvidia really quickly, and then we got a comment here from Stephen Jacobs that's saying, "Why not wait for 15-minute bullish doji close and then enter for buys?" We could do that. I'm actually short. Let's see if the short is working. Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
short the
mine just
ES.
popped out right
And
now.
I got out. For me, it was a quick scalp, so I've been out of that trade.
Damn.
Yeah. Because of that huge rejection here, the increase in volume, the decrease in volume on that little double top here, I entered short. So we'll see what we get. We're at the opening prints here. We'll
All
see. I'm
right.
just gonna hold here, targeting 75.18 more or less. How many points would that be overall? Oh, that's a lot. 79, 70.
All right, I got stopped out. I'm done.
All right,
That
so
was
we'll target 30 points on the first TP, and then we'll let the other one run. But I
wow.
want to
What a
I want to
short.
touch. What'd you say?
What a short.
What's going on, Alejandra? I'm shorting and you're going long. The world is upside
Well,
down.
this is why I don't like to take longs, right? Like I should have just left the first long and then waited for confirmation for that short. Cause man,
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. But you just did great. You just made $800 or almost $1,000 on your previous trade. You took a little haircut there. It's fine. It's all part of trading.
well, this trade was like a 600 loss on my funded.
Okay,
So I'm gonna go cry a little bit.
it's fine. It's just one trade.
Yeah,
Easy
I'm
for
still
you.
fighting.
Huh?
Easy for you to say.
Easy for me to say when I'm making profits. I agree. Wait, yeah, we were talking about Nvidia. I want to go on Nvidia, and then we're gonna touch on what Stefan Jacob said in Ludiver. All right, so Nvidia. Nice recovery here around this 200 moving average. Think we can feel that gap around 207. So you're talking about this gap right here. Well, like Caesar, I'll give my opinion, but you guys can chime in because I know you guys trade equities more than I do. But with what Caesar was saying, I don't know the financials or whatever what's going on with the company, but I think if the chip sector keeps running hot, if you know data continues to lead, then we should see a recovery. Now, how much time does this need to digest? We'll see. I think also we have to watch and see what Warsh does in the next few months. And then we'll be able to see what the next move is. I think we should probably give this a little bit more time to digest. So I'm thinking something like this if we're being strictly technical. So pull back, pull back. We probably need some digestion here and then a recovery. So that would put us all the way towards August, September. But we'll see.
Um, Personally, like just keeping your chart up. Personally, like looking at the daily, I like Nvidia for a pullback down to the 180 level. There's a gap. There's several gaps it needs to fill. It
Yeah,
already
around
filled
here.
the one at the 190, and the fact that it's we've had like multiple days of rejection under 200. I like this for like a 180 a drop. I'd be interested in longing Nvidia under 170.
Okay, so around this area.
Yeah, because
170
one
is
of the
here, so we're talking here.
yeah, so like one of the things that the Fed Warsh has like indirectly implied is that they're possibly going to raise rates, right? And when they do that, the tech sector is going to get hit. Uh,
Yeah.
so yeah, so I think this is a great beginning of a healthy pullback, right? Even with the drop that it's had right now, it has some more downside. And
Yep.
overall, if I wanted to like really look at Nvidia long term, I would want to see it under 150.
So under 150 all the way. I pulled up the weeklies, by the way, all the way to here. I mean, this is your 200 day, but when you put it on the weekly, but if we put it on the daily,
Yeah.
um, yeah, 150 would be all the way to here. Let's see, how much does this run up since the beginning of the year?
A lot. We're
Oh,
talking
that's
like,
April.
yeah, from the
That's
80s all the way to
26.
two and
Okay.
change.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah. So,
And we were in this range for a while, right here.
yep. And you see, so before that range, you see the prior one to the left, the top. Don't go down a
This
little bit, down a little bit.
there.
Yep. So yeah, so bring it to the top. So for me, I would mark off the top, and that's where I'm looking for price to like really come and retest for it to where this would be like a really good long. Yeah.
Okay, so that's about 153. So yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see percentage wise what that would be. That would be 30, yeah, 30% pullback. Still bullish.
Yeah, still bullish, still healthy.
Yeah.
There is the off chance that this could go lower in the next year, especially because there's talks about inflation staying high until 2028.
Hmm.
So 2027 could be a relatively red year, where just everything just slowly grinds down. But if we have like one quarter where we just have like a massive drop, then I would be looking for longs. But I've been basically unwinding my positions. I unwind my Tesla,
Holy
my
shit.
PSLL, some of my other key data. I've been unwinding out of Intel just because I am expecting this pretty decent correction. And even the
Okay.
triple Qs, like if you look at the triple Qs, well, NQ, there's a 20 from here. NQ could drop another 1,700 points to the downside.
Oh, NQ, I have two targets. If we're really talking about pullbacks, my two targets are 26 800. So from where we are now, that is that's almost 3,000 points, and that's a 10% pullback,
Yeah.
right? And then the really deep one would be 24 500, more or less,
Yep.
at that previous
There's
pocket.
actually a gap to be filled around there. So
Yeah.
there's a
If
gap,
I
there's a
take
gap
out,
at 28,200, and there's a gap down in the 24,600, 24,400 area that it's going to end up filling at some point.
yeah.
Yeah.
So that around here would be a 10% pullback. That would be a 20% pullback. So the market overall, I think we could just pull back to here. We're gonna take all the questions, guys. I'm gonna touch on a few things. One thing I'm remembering right now, since we're talking about cutting rates, there was a little data point that we barely noticed, which was, where is it? The average hourly earnings came out a little bit higher than expected. So it came out at 3.5 instead of what was it? 3.5 instead of 3.4, right? So what that shows me, and it's a very, very little wrinkle, but basically it's like average hourly earnings year over year came in a little bit hot, right? So that means that the wages are growing slightly faster, and that is inflationary. So that's the opposite of what the Fed wants to see to justify cuts. Of course, that's a very small data point. It was interesting to me. So we'll see. I definitely want to see how this Fed's going to react and how the market's going to react to it, especially that he wants to be quiet. He doesn't want people to be speculating on the market. He wants to just have a united front. So we'll see how the market reacts to that. I want to keep taking these questions. Stefan Jacobs saying, why not wait for the 15-minute bullish doji close and enter for buys? So let's look at the 15-minute. You said that 5 minutes ago. Yeah.
What is he
So
looking? What is he talking about? I'm in queue.
he's probably talking about this 15-minute, and then we wait to enter. So he's probably talking about entering now. That's not MNQ, that's ES, but let's look at the MNQ on a 15-minute one. MNQ still pushing lower. It looks like we want to hold these levels. We'll see. It's going to be 11 o'clock in
10
about
minutes.
8 minutes, 10 minutes. So we'll see. Why not wait? I mean, I think that's a fair point. You could wait for the 15-minute candle to close. Now, if we look at this on a 5 minute, I mean, this was a logical area to enter, right? You pulled back. Of course, we because of this fast drop, maybe it wasn't warranted, but on any given day, you could enter here and get one of those V-shaped recoveries. Say this candle closed a little bit higher above VWAP, and then this one continued. You saw the volume increase. This is a 5 minute chart, by the way. You are at this previous area of support, so I mean, I think both Caesar and Alejandra, even myself included, thought we could possibly get a recovery here, and I think that was a good trade. I don't think you needed to wait for the 15-minute to close. Yes, it would have been, it would have validated the trade more, but sometimes you wait and it's too late. So hey,
Yeah, no,
sometimes you wait and it's too late.
this is gonna keep going lower. I mean, it pretty much gave everything back. Like that was this morning's push was to go pick up whatever it wanted to go pick up on the 30 20 90 level, and then the only reason why I took the buys again was because this box here is my 4-hour bullish fair value gap that gave me confirmation that we were going to go long. I usually don't take longs, but I should have respected, my setup and my trade. And I think because I had already won, I wasn't really looking for a trade, and so because I was still more like long biased, I ended taking the longs here, but then I got stopped out right as soon as it broke the mid level here. So because I took a $200 loss with this pullback and then a $500 loss here, obviously, that's $700 loss. But this is going to continue to keep going down. I mean, like it already inverted this gap, and there's no support holding it down here. Not on a 1 hour, not on a 15. So what I see it coming down to is either a sweep of liquidity of this sell side here, or coming back here to see if it'll hold this level. Otherwise, we're just gonna come all the way down to the 28,800. So we'll see.
We'll see. I mean, I think he was asking about why we entered long and we didn't wait. And I'm just
Oh,
saying I think it was, and that's why all three of us entered. It's just because it looked like a valid trade for the first 5 minutes.
yeah.
Then Caesar said, "Hey, this is a quick scalp, so it wasn't
Yeah.
a sure thing." I said I'm entering here with paper hands, and that's why when
Mhm.
it didn't, I think when Caesar exited, I flipped my bias and I flipped short just because we didn't see the follow through.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I think it was just a valid entry that didn't work out.
Yeah.
That's part of trading. So yeah, Stefan, we could have waited, but in this case,
Mhm.
we could have had that follow through.
Yeah,
So
it
Mhm.
looked like it was gonna give a decent bounce, and
yeah,
again, like no matter what, like everyone's gonna trade different. Everyone's gonna see things differently, right, based off of their personal
Mhm.
experience or how long they've been participating in the market. So sometimes, some people they wanna have three things line up to enter into a long or a short. With me, I need only one or two, and I can flip position, within seconds, right? If I don't like it how it looks or whatever. But as I stated, it was just a quick little scalp, made a quick like $50 and closed it.
Mhm.
yep, yeah, that's it. It's also what was your idea with the trade originally? Are you looking to just do a quick scalp like you did? Are you looking to hold this for half an hour or whatever it is? So
Mhm.
anyways, all valid points here. Ludiver saying, what are your thoughts on gold for today? He's short since 41.35, targeting 40.40, but not sure if it won't just run to fill the gap and bounce or go deeper. I think you were showing the gold chart earlier, Alejandro. I don't know if you have a take on that. By the way, I'm closing my shorts now because it's holding too well.
Yeah, it looks like gold wants to hold this level here. It's bull flagging. So as long as they can break and hold above 41.53, I think we can see 42.24. Those are the levels that I have there.
Okay, he says he's short since 41.35 and targeting 40.40.
Oh,
Uh, sh-
I mean, I don't know.
41.35.
I wouldn't be looking at shorts. It hasn't, it's not, I don't see any confirmation for shorts. We've been holding this area of demand here on the 30-minute time frame, and it broke above it. So, I don't know. What are your confluences to go short, you know?
He said 141.35. I guess he's talking to CFDs because let me see. Because if you're in a short, I mean, you've been underwater for a while.
Yeah.
Ludiver, are you talking CFDs or the GC contract? Let me know because if I look at the CFDs, which would be AU, wait, gold. Sorry, XAU 41.35. 41.35. Targeting 40. Okay. So if you were talking XAU, you probably already reached your target and took your profit because the numbers are different. But let me know. Let me know if it's GC or not because that matters for the analysis. Traded with tech saying gap. Think long as the 200 moving average holds, we could push and fill that gap. But if we break 188, I'd go short. So Andrew, I think that's regarding Nvidia. pull NVIDIA up again. Okay, one thing I wanted to add, by the way, since we were talking about NVIDIA and SpaceX is the new kid on the block, I think, and I mentioned that way back when we started talking about it. I think gradually what's going to happen is SpaceX is going to capture a lot of the attention. A lot of money has already rotated and is going to rotate into SpaceX, and that's going to affect stocks like Nvidia, Mag 7, whatever, right? We might see a decrease in volatility in them, a rotation to SpaceX, and a lot more volatility there. I think that's going to affect the asset also. So that's just me, tinfoil hat on. Stefan saying that was when Alejandro wanted to take buys. Sorry, was posting. Okay, no problem. Okay, Ludiver saying CFDs, so the price is going to be different. Okay, let me look at XAU. I see you turn on your mic, Caesar, when I said SpaceX.
So, for me to speak about SpaceX?
No, I said SpaceX, and I saw you were like,
Oh yeah. Because now
you thought I was buying? I'm
no, I
not
was about to
buying.
look at it because I'm like, I know it came like really, it came down quite a bit back under like 150 SPCX. Where's it at right now? Yeah, I recall it came down to like to the 140s, 146 or whatnot, and it's back over 150. But I still like this for 100, and I still have my alerts set. But if you were looking to like scalp it, yeah, it was under 150. It's a great buy for a nice 10, 20 point pop here and there.
Okay.
The daily on M&Q looks bearish, like for it to come down to like the 29, like 200 level. But it's like, I don't know. I'm not trusting it right now because I don't see why I would hold this level down here unless it comes down to 29,705 and hold there.
We'll see. I got out of my ES short
Good
because
enter. Very good
this
enter because it started
this
the base.
yeah, it started to base. So it might recover. I don't know. We'll see. I'll give it some time. I'll probably take another trade off stream. Oh, actually, it's already 11 o'clock.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, but just to quickly answer your question, Ludovic, and pull up my chart. So you're looking at XAU. Let me go to a 15 minutes. You said you were short at 41.35, which, man, you caught that high, which is great. I don't know if it was after the news. 40.40 puts you at, where is it? Around here. Okay, so you're targeting like a 90 plus point move. After a strong move like that, we'll have to see what happens. I don't know if you're looking for just a complete fall here, but if you zoom out, let's put this on if you zoom out and you look back, we're kind of stair stepping back up, and we're recovering on gold because we've been pushing. Let me just put this higher. So zooming out, this is a 4-hour chart. We've based, right? And we're stair stepping back up. So yeah, we could get a pullback and continue higher and form kind of a more bullish structure before we test these highs again. But the thing you need to keep in mind, I don't know if you're in a day trade or a swing trade or whatever you're in. And since you said you're short, just keep in mind that, and I don't know what you're risking off of. We could pull back to, I wouldn't say 40.40, maybe 40.70, like this point of control here. but we could push higher before going lower. Just keep that in mind, right? Um, if this was a quick scalp, maybe, but gold is holding up pretty well. So that's a pretty far target. I don't know if you're in multiple contracts. Maybe if you get somewhat of a down move, you get out of some of it, hold the rest. Um, but just be conscious that when you zoom out and you look at the higher time frames, you are in a more bullish structure overall. So keep that in mind. Ah, just like that, we are reversing. Okay, guys. Well, it's been a fun one. Um, we got some good trades.
Yep.
Yep. MNQ is still looking weaker.
Yeah, ES is looking weak as well. I'm gonna continue trading offline, and we'll see you soon next week.
All right.
Bye,
All
guys.
righty. Bye. Take care.
Take care.